and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that's the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say,
I will no report, and heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
Haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Please remain seated. Your tour will now continue.
We have been unavoidably detained by cranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Please remain seated. Your tour will now continue.
Creak in the tombstones quake. Stand up for swing and wake. Happy haunts materialize. And begin to vocalize. When windows start to socialize. Now close your eyes until I do. Your silly spook sit by your side. Shrouded in a cat disguise. Take your hand to wear a hat. When windows start to socialize.
Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota. They'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit by 7.